அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் கம்பைன்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷனோட ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் பேப்பரோட மாடல் கொஷின் பேப்பர் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆல்ரெடி 2 வீடியோஸில் 50 கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம பார்த்துருப்போம். இதே கொஷின் பேப்பரோட கொஷின்ஸு அதோட கண்டினியூஷன் தான் இந்த வீடியோ. ஸோ நான் முன்னாடியே சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர் வந்து நம்மளோட சிலபஸை பேஸ் பண்ணியும் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் அனலைஸ் பண்ணி தான் வந்து நம்ம எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி பேட்டர்னில் நம்ம கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய கொஷின்ஸ் எதிர்பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவையும் பாருங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் நம்பர் 101. If a chi-square goodness of fit test has 6 categories and an n equal to 30, then the correct number of degrees of freedom is dash. Option A 5, option B 6, option C 29, option D 28, and the answer is option A 5. Question number 102. To get an idea of the fertility conditions of a field, the method used is dash. Option A local control, option B replication, option C randomization, option D uniformity trials. The correct answer is option D uniformity trials. Question number 103. The sign test can be applied only when the sample values are dash. Option A small, option B large, option C paired, option D not paired. The correct answer is option B large. Question number 104. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is a dash. Left-sided test, option B right-sided test, option C two-sided test, option D any of the above. The correct answer is option D. So it can be left-sided or it can be right-sided or two-sided test. So correct answer is option D, any of the above. And question number 105. Neyman-Pearson lemma provides dash test. Option A unbiased test, option B an admissible test, option C optimum test, option D a most powerful test. The correct answer is option D, a most powerful test. Question number 106. The first principal component is the combination of random variables with maximum variance. Option A linear, option B non-linear, option C normalized linear, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A linear. Next question number 107. The number of components in time series data is dash. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option C 6, option D 6. The correct answer is option B 4. Question number 108. The coefficient of skewness for Poisson distribution beta 1 is dash. Option A lambda, option B 1 by lambda, option C 1, option D 0. The correct answer is option B 1 by lambda. Question number 109. For a discrete uniform distribution, the mean is dash. Option A n plus 1 by 2, option B n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, option C n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, option D n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n divided by 12. The correct answer is option A n plus 1 by 2. Next question number 110. In a negative binomial distribution, as p tends to 0 and r tends to infinity, so that rp becomes a constant, it becomes dash. Option A binomial, option B geometric, option C multinomial, option D Poisson. The correct answer is option D Poisson. Question number 111. The distribution function of a continuous uniform distribution of a variable x lying in the interval a comma b is option A 1 by b minus a, option B x minus a divided by b minus a, option C b minus a by x minus a, option D x minus b divided by b minus a. The correct answer is option B x minus a divided by b minus a. Next question number 112. The relation between t statistics and x square is dash. Option A t1 square equal to psi x square. Option B, tn square equal to psi 1 square. Option C, tx square equal to psi 1 square. Option D, t1 square equal to psi 1 square. And the correct answer is option B. Question number 113. The distribution possessing the memory less property is dash. Option A, gamma distribution. Option B, geometric distribution. Option C, hypergeometric distribution. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 112 வந்து நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The relation between t and t statistics and psi square is dash. அதை வந்து செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next question number 114. For a normal distribution, the value of beta 1 and beta 2 are dash. Option A 0, 3. Option B 3, 0. Option C 0, 0. Option D 3, 3. The correct answer is option A 0, 3. So 113 question oda answer வந்து option D, all of these. 114 oda answer வந்து A 0, 3. Next, question number 115. For a normal distribution, the quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation are in the ratio. Option A 4 by 5 is to 2 by 3 is to 1. Option B 2 by 3 is to 4 by 5 is to 1. Option C 1 is to 4 by 5 is to 2 by 3. Option D 1 by 2 is to 1 is to 4 by 5. The correct answer is option B. 2 by 3 is to 4 by 5 is to 1. Question number 116. In a T by R RBD with one missing observation, the error degrees of freedom will be dash. Option A TR minus T minus R plus 1. Option B TR minus T minus R. Option C TR minus T minus R minus 1. Option D TR minus T minus R minus 2. The correct answer is option B, TR minus T minus R. Question number 117. In LSD, local control is applied in dash direction. Option A one-way direction. Option B two-way direction. Option 3 three-way direction. Option D multi-way direction. The correct answer is option B, two-way direction. Question number 118. If there exists a perfect correlation between two variables, then the value of correlation coefficient between the two variables will be dash. Option A 0. Option B 1. Option C plus or minus 1. Option D infinity. The correct answer is option C, plus or minus 1. Next, question number 119. The errors involved in the construction of an index number is dash. A sample error. Option B formula error. Option C error in collection of data. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 120. In 2 square factorial experiment, the number of main effects is dash. Option A 3. Option B 2. Option C 8. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option B, 2. Question number 121. Local control is absent in which of the following? Option A CRD. Option B RBD. Option C LSD. Option D Greco LSD. The correct answer is option A CRD. Next, question number 122. In a double sampling plan, a second sample of size n2 is taken if option A C plus C C1 plus 1 is less than or equal to D1 less than or equal to C2. Option B C1 less than D1 less than C2. Option C C1 plus 1 less than or equal to D1 less than or equal to C2 plus 1. Option D C1 less than D1 less than or equal to C2. The correct answer is Option D. C1 less than D1 less than or equal to C2. Question number 123. In the context of n of mu comma psi square, select the simple hypothesis. Option A, mu equal to 0. Option B, mu equal to 0, sigma square equal to 1. Option C, mu equal to 0, sigma square greater than 1. Option D, mu equal to 0, sigma square less than 1. And the correct answer is option B, mu equal to 0, sigma square equal to 1. So in the context of n of mu comma sigma square, select the hypothesis, which is the hypothesis B, option B, mu equal to 0, sigma square equal to 1. Question number 124. The number of possible samples of size n out of capital N population units without replacement is option A, capital N small n. Option B, capital N power small n. Option C, small n square. Option D, small n factorial. Correct answer is option A, capital N small n. Question number 125. Complete count of the heads of a country is known as option A, census. Option B, vital statistics. Option C, demography. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is census. Question number 126. In India, the collection of vital statistics started for the first time in dash. Option A, 720. Option B, 1886. Option C, 1969. Option D, 1947. So the option A is 1720. It's not 720, 1720. Okay, and the correct answer is option D, 1947, 1947. Question number 127. The age specific death rate for the babies of age less than 1 year is specially called dash. A, neonatal death rate. B, infant mortality rate. C, maternal mortality rate. D, fetal death rate. The correct answer is option B, infant mortality rate. Question number 128. The relation between NRR and GRR is option A, NRR is less than GRR. Option B, NRR is greater than GRR. Option C, NRR equals to GRR. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, NRR less than GRR. Question number 129. Gross reproduction rate is more than 1. It indicates population would dash. Option A, increase. Option B, decrease. Option C, neither increase nor decrease. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, increase. Question number 130. The geometric mean of 40, 50 and x is 10. Then the value of x is dash. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 1 by 2. The correct answer is option D, 1 by 2. Question number 131. When two unbiased coins are tossed once, the expected number of heads is dash. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3 by 4. Option D, 5 by 4. The correct answer is option A, 1. The answer for question number 130 is option D, 1 by 2. Question number 131 oda answer enadhu option A, 1. So question number 132 பார்க்கலாம். In Poisson distribution, if P of x equal to 2 equal to 3 into P of x equal to 4, then the value of lambda is condition enadhu P of x equals to 2, that is equal to 3 times P of x equal to 4, then the value of lambda is dash. A, option A, root 2, option B, 2, option C, 1 by 2, option D, 1 by root 2. Correct answer is option B, 2. Question number 133. The most commonly used index number is dash number. Option A, diffusion index number. Option B, price index number. Option C, value index number. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option B, price index number. Question number 134. The statistical test used to test the regression coefficient is dash. Option A, normal. Option B, T. Option C, psi square. Option D, F. The correct answer is option D, F. Question number 135. The variance of error is constant for all observations. This property is called dash. Option A, heteroscedasticity. Option B, homoscedasticity. Option C, nullity. Option D, unity. Option A, heteroscedasticity. Option B, homoscedasticity. So the correct answer is option B, homoscedasticity. Question number 136. The error may arise due to option A, misspecification. Option B, non-availability of data. Option C, wrong assumptions. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of this. It may arise due to misspecification, or due to non-availability of data, or due to wrong assumption. So the answer is all of these. Question number 137. The input-output analysis technique was first propounded by option A, Professor Leontief. Option B, Oscar Lang. Option C, Professor J.R. Hicks. Option D, Marx. The correct answer is option A, Professor Leontief. Question number 138. The elasticity of demand is the ratio of relative change in quantity to dash. Option A, supply. Option B, demand. Option C, relative change in price. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, relative change in price. Question number 139. Any change in price, quantity, demanded changes in the dash direction. Any change in price, quantity, demanded changes in the dash direction. Option A, same. Option B, opposite direction. Option C, 0. Option D, constant. The correct answer is option B, opposite direction. Question number 140. Which is the most appropriate average used in index number? Option A, AM. Option B, HM. Option C, GM. Option D, weighted mean. The correct answer is option C, GM. Question number 141. The forest related statistics are published by dash. Option A, CSO and NSSO. Option B, NSSO and DES. DES means Directorate of Economics and Statistics. And option C, DES and CSO. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, DES and CSO. Question number 142. Blue means dash. Option A, best linear upper estimate. Option B, big linear upper error. Option C, best least unbiased estimate. Option D, best linear unbiased estimate. The correct answer is option D, best linear unbiased estimate. Question number 143. Which one of the following index numbers is called as an ideal index number? Option A, Laspeyres index number. Option B, Sachs index number. Option B, Fisher's index number. Option D, Bowley's index number. And the correct answer is option C, Fisher's index number. Question number 144. A rise in price before EID is dash trend. Option A, seasonal trend. Option B, secular trend. Option C, cyclical trend. Option D, irregular trend. The correct answer is option A, seasonal trend. Question number 145. Base period used for computing index number should be a dash period. Option A, normal period. Option B, lengthy period. Option C, short period. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. Question number 146. Which of the following is not present in a time series? A. Seasonality. B. Operational variations. C. Trend. D. Cycle. The correct answer is option B. Operational variations. Question number 147. Time reversal test is satisfied when option A. P01 by P10 equal to 1. Option B. P01 by P10 equal to 0. Option C. P01 into P10 is greater than 1. Option D. P01 by P10 is less than 1. The correct answer is option A. P01 by P10 equal to 1. Question number 148. Arithmetic mean of Laspre and Saatse price index numbers is known as dash number. Option A. Darvish-Bowley index number. Option B. Marshall-Edgeworth index number. Option C. Fisher index number. Option D. Kelly index number. The correct answer is option A. Darvish-Bowley index number. Question number 149. The average which has no bias with reference to the construction of index number is dash mean. Option A. Arithmetic mean. Option B. Geometric mean. Option C. Quadratic mean. Option D. Harmonic mean. The correct answer is option B. Geometric mean. Question number 150. Index number is dash. Option A. Economic barometer. Option B. Barometer. Option C. Statistical barometer. Option D. Demographic barometer. The correct answer is option A. Economic barometer. So the index number is an economic barometer. ஸோ இப்போ பார்த்துட்ருக்கிறது வந்து கம்பைன்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸோட மாடல் கொஷின். இப்போ நம்ம 150 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ரிமைனிங் கொஷின்ஸை நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். இதே மாதிரி இருக்கிற கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். இதே மாதிரி பேட்டர்னில் கேட்குறக்கு நிறையா சான்சஸ் இருக்குது. எக்ஸாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ.